Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a very quick hair review because I have to be out the house in the next like 15 minutes. Anyways, today's video is going to be about this gorgeous crochet twist I have on my head. And if you would like to get the details, stay tuned. So before I get started, let me just do some housekeeping. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for helping and supporting my channel. You guys are really the real MVP. I really appreciate it and I love you guys so much. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you thumbs it up if you love it. Comment down below about any questions and let's grow together. So let's get to the details. So really quick, the hair I have on my head is crochet braids that I did myself. Oh, okay, you know what, I'm gonna take the credit. I had a friend who helped me like braid my hair and I kind of like just installed it. The hair that I have on my head is the Lulutress Passion Twist, but this one is the Chunky Passion Twist. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I got it in the color 1B30. So this is the color right here. It's brown at the bottom and it has like black roots. All right. And I got the pack that has like the 2 times on it. So initially I got 3 packs because I thought like, okay, the last time I did a similar hairstyle, I'm gonna add the video of the last passion twist that I did. This one was a little bit skinnier, but it was the same brand, same style, just this one is just a little bit chunkier. So when I did that hair, I think I used about 6 or 7 packs. So I thought that since this pack came in like 2 in 1 pack, 3 would be okay. So I bought 3 and it was not enough. So I had to go back to the store the next day and get more hair. So in total, honestly, I used about 5 packs of hair. So I used about 5 packs of hair. Y'all have a big head. I think 4 packs could be enough for a regular size small head. But y'all, I like my hair full and I have a big circumference, so I always use more hair than most people do. So I got the hair for about, how much was this hair, by the way? Do I have the receipt somewhere? Let me see. Okay. I think I lost the receipt. So I got it from my local beauty supply store and I think I paid about I think like $15 for each pack, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I think it's really gorgeous. I didn't do a tutorial this time because I have a tutorial on my channel of this similar passion twist from the same brand, and I'm gonna make sure I put the link down below so you guys can go and check it out. I use exactly the same braid pattern, the same format, everything. So I didn't feel the need to record another tutorial doing the same thing. I feel like that's kind of like, you know, redundant kind of. So I did it the same way basically, and I really love this passion twist. The chunky twist is actually newer. So initially when they first came out with this passion twist, it was the skinnier one, and now they're like, I guess, trying to change things up a little bit or something like that, and now they have this chunky one. I think I like the chunky ones better. So yeah, what else? So I told you guys I got it from my local beauty supply store. I got 5 packs, and make sure it's the one that's like 2 times the size in the pack. So I got 5 packs of that, and I got it is in the 18 inches. 18 inches, color 1B30. So now let me just show you guys the 360 and we'll be done. All right. So that concludes this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions, leave it down below for me and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible. And once again, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Bye.